Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I cooked some brown stew chicken, which I'm going to use oyster mushrooms for the substitute. So yes guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I've got some seasoning mushrooms over there already with some cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and some vegan all-purpose seasoning. I've got some cooked butter beans, carrots, onions, thyme, scallion, bell pepper, garlic, cherry tomatoes, and of course scotch bonnet pepper. So yes guys, I've got tons of garlic. Yes, I love garlic. And I got a piece of white onion. So we're gonna jump straight into the video guys, but before we jump into the video guys, I've got a video on my YouTube channel already how I cooked my oyster mushroom, how I fried it. So that's the similar process I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fry the oyster mushrooms and then cooked it down like in brown stew, you know, brown stew. Yes, so I'm gonna show you as I go along guys, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry these mushrooms. I'm gonna make the batter and then I'm gonna fry it, but I won't show you that, right? Because I said before, it's on my channel already. I only be showing you the next process. All right, so over here guys, I've got my pot on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the garlic in. I'm not gonna use any oil because I don't use oil in everything. Some things I do, some things I'm not. I'm not gonna use no coconut oil. I'm just gonna use some water to cook it down. So yes, as you can see, I added my garlic. So I'm gonna let this saute off for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning to the pot, which I already named in the beginning of my video. Alright, I'm gonna allow this to saute for 3 minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients. So now guys, the seasoning is all sauteed. I didn't add any water to it whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some bit of soya sauce. And I'm also gonna add in my carrots. I'll let this saute off a bit. Because you know the carrots, it's gonna take a little time to cook. So I'm just gonna cover this on low heat and let it steam for about 4 minutes. So the carrot can get a bit soft before I add the rest of the ingredients. So guys, I finished fried the mushrooms and this is how they looked, golden and brown. This is the right consistency of how I want it to look. Look at that guys. Wow, it's breaking. See that? So what we're gonna do now guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cook this down. So I'm gonna take you along with me over to the pot. So guys, this is how it's looking at the moment. I added like half cup of water in there for the sauce. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna add some half a teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also gonna add 2 bay leaves just for flavor, because we've already seasoned the mushrooms. So I'm just gonna add 2 bay leaves to that. Yeah, and I'm gonna add my chicken, my mushrooms. But before I add the mushrooms, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some molasses. Yes, just a little bit of molasses guys, just for the color, for the brown stew. Yes, I did some molasses. The molasses help to, you don't have to use browning, you can just go ahead and use some molasses to create that brown look that you need. So we're gonna add our chicken in now. I said mushrooms. Oyster mushroom. Wow. Look at that, guys. Who say vegan can't eat healthy? Of course you can eat healthy. So I'm gonna add in our butter bean and let everything on low heat. You're gonna put it on low heat, guys, and let everything cook. Just steam, you know, let the steam from the pot go right through in there. That's all you want. Just the steam and low heat, and it's gonna suck up all the juices. But you're still gonna have sauce, but you just want it like that. And if you're a ketchup person and you like ketchup, you can go ahead and add a ketchup to it. I'm not gonna add in no ketchup or anything. You can add salt. I didn't add any salt because the all-purpose chicken season already had salt in there. So yes, no salt, and it was well seasoning my mushroom, so I don't need to add it anymore to the pot. Right? You're just gonna leave it like that and let it cook on low heat. So it's a bubble, guys. Woo. Yeah, we're gonna have this with some cornmeal dumpling and green banana. Oh, yeah. So guys, this is how it looks now. It's done. So we're gonna turn the stove off. And yes, guys, it looks so delicious. Oh gosh, I have a taste and it tastes so good. Guys, it tastes really good, really good. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plate it up for you to see. So guys, here's the finished product of my brown stew mushrooms, and I'm having it with cornmeal dumpling, green banana, boiled plantain, and boiled pumpkin. So guys, it tastes good. It's delicious, right? So yes, you can use mushrooms to make chicken. So yeah, this is a substitute. You can use it to make your burger, whatever. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So guys, you know the motto already, health is wealth. So you go and stay healthy, guys, and go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, guys, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.